really hot. Oh gosh, it's burning. That's okay. It's super hot. Too hot. Catastrophe, starting over. Hi everyone, hi friends, I'm Jenny, and tonight I'm going to be making a creamy salmon and asparagus pasta. Okay, so if you have seen any of my other videos, you know that I am on a cooking journey. I am trying to become a better cook, so every video I want to try a new skill or maybe use a different ingredient or try a different new flavor profile that helps me just become a better cook. Okay, sometimes my recipes that I'm following are very intricate, lots of steps along the way, tons of ingredients. Today is not that day. I am looking for easy peasy lemon squeezy. Haha, because I'm adding lemon to this dish. I'm just trying to like have dinner, okay? The skills that I'm really developing in this are kind of like efficiency in the kitchen. You know, like let's not spend all day, all night trying to make some dinner, and let's just, you know, get it done, lickety split. Here I have about a pound of fresh salmon. I'm really excited also because no one in my household at the moment eats salmon. My son, my daughter, my husband don't like salmon, so all this is for me. How exciting. Now the recipe says to use Italian seasoning, salt, pepper. I'm also gonna add adobo seasoning because I just like how it tastes. So you can omit this part if you want to, but I just feel like, you know, oh, I don't even know if you're supposed to put it on the back, but we're gonna put it everywhere, okay? Again, I don't know if we're supposed to be putting it on every single crevice, but oh, I'm going to, okay? Every crevice is gonna get some adobo. All right, I think I'm actually gonna take the skin off after it's done cooking, so I'm not gonna season the back. But I'm gonna add some cracked fresh pepper. Crack. I'll add some salt. Here we go, salt. And then I'm gonna, oh, this is coarse salt. I really feel like you shouldn't be using coarse salt, flaky salt like this, but too late. And then we're gonna put on some Italian seasoning. Next up, my asparagus. I have about a pound of asparagus. It looks like this. I got the thin kind, and you probably could get thick or whatever. I just got the one that I thought looked the prettiest. I'm gonna cut off the ends here. I don't know why, it's just that the recipe told me to do that, so I'm gonna do that. Anyway, I did. And what I'm gonna do now is just like cut it into small pieces. Okay, and then I'll leave you guys like this. Sure. Like I said, I'm gonna run this under some water again. And then I'm going to prep my lemon juice and my garlic. Okay, gonna mince 3 cloves of garlic. 3 cloves of these. And when I'm back, they will all be minced. Okay, ta-da! Gonna do the zest of half of a lemon. Uh-oh, like this. Yeah, like this. Juice time! And my kid loves fresh lemon juice. He's gonna love this. I'm gonna save him the whatever I don't use. Whoa! Oh my god! Really hot. Oh gosh, it's burning. That's okay. It's super hot. Too hot. Catastrophe, starting over. Okay, take 2, everybody. All right, hopefully this is not scorching hot. Oh gosh, I was like so into it too. I was like, look at me, I'm a cook, guys. Okay, that's better. That's much better. And while that is gonna be melting down, I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of olive oil. And let's have it heat up that way, okay? Let's have it heat up this way, because I really thought I was doing something. Like, look at me heating up my pan. I'm like a real cook. Wrong. Okay, here I am. I'm gonna put it in. I don't want to burn myself. And I'm just gonna use it like my hands to do this. Oh, that's not so bad. So I'm supposed to cook it 3 minutes on each side. I will let you know if that's what I end up doing. But I shall see you on the other side. Ooh, pretty. Do you want to see? Pretty. Okay, we're going to put that over there on the side. And I'm going to add my asparagus. And I'm going to cook this for 3 minutes. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, now you add the garlic and saute that for 30 seconds, they say. Garlic in. Let's give it a stir. I'm still using like my spatula. Stir this up, and then we're gonna start putting in the ingredients for the sauce. Ready? Let's go. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, freshly squeezed, half zest from half a lemon. In you go, in. Now we do a half cup of Parmesan cheese. You can freshly grate it yourself. I did not do that. I didn't have the patience. There we are. And then 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1, 2, 3/4 cup. And now we stir it up. All right, salmon, your turn to go back in. Okay, flip you over because I have to take the skin off. Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, it does sound good though. The skin sounds yummy, but I'm gonna take it out. Ugh, I cannot do all the things. No, I want to keep this. This is good stuff. Help, I need another arm. Help. Plate, you have to go back down there. Okay. This is good stuff, you know, we don't want to leave, and there we are. There we go. And that was very easy. Ta-da. Now we break up our salmon into chunks, and then we cook it so that the salmon is really all the way cooked, because see, some of my inside of my salmon is not done. Okay, you may think I have overcooked this, but I think I have cooked it just enough. I do not want raw salmon. I'm sorry, not in this dish. Now I add about 8 ounces of cooked spaghetti. Don't mind the clunks, it's been sitting out for a little bit. Stir this in. I'm really not gonna have, I love to have a lot of sauce at the end, and I'm not gonna have sauce again. Oh, let me get my tongs. Maybe that'll make this easier. Be back. I think where I go wrong is I cook down my sauce too much. Like the recipe doesn't want me to cook it down as much as I do. And then it's like the recipe's like, oh, you're gonna have thin sauce, and meanwhile I have like no sauce. At least this time I didn't put in a crazy amount of pasta. I tried to follow the recipe. In other videos I just wasn't, I didn't listen, and I did whatever I wanted. But here I tried to stick to it. Is this actually 8 ounces of pasta? It might be more, but what else? Oh, okay. All right. This looks good. This looks good. I mean, you probably don't think, look, does it look good to you? I don't know. Can you tell? Does it look good? All right, I'm gonna give it a taste test. Okay, done. It doesn't look the prettiest. Like, my plating really could use some work. I need to work on, yeah, definitely plating to make it look a bit more appetizing or visually appealing, but it smells delicious. It's in my little lemon bowl. All right, time to try it. Cheers. Okay, let me get some salmon. I want all of it. Okay. That's a winner. I taste the lemon, but not overpowering. So if you're like not that big of a fan of lemon, but you don't mind it per se, you could give this a try, because I can taste the lemon, but it's not crazy overpowering. I don't know, I taste the cheese, I taste the creaminess, taste, yeah, like the butter. I mean, I maybe could have added a little more salt and pepper at the end, because I didn't season my asparagus. The only thing I seasoned was the fish. So I didn't season the asparagus or, like add anything else to the pasta. So I probably could have added a little more flavor there. But I will eat all of this. All of it. When I have my leftovers tomorrow, the day after, whatever, I'm going to eat all of it. Cheers. I hope you enjoy it if you try it. Bye.